Hi, I'm Laura. I'm a researcher at Pi. We wanted to see whether we could get a robot to actually help us operate an in-office coffee bar. In order to start this experiment, we went to a local coffee shop and worked with professional baristas in order to understand what the robot could do alongside a person to be helpful. One of the aspects that makes this really difficult from the low-level control side is tool use with a lot of precision. So picking up that portafilter, inserting it, aligning it, and locking it in. In addition to that is the liquid handling for this task. So the robot needs to be able to pour without spilling, and that requires a really smooth and steady hand. Now the robot can make all sorts of drinks like Americanos, lattes, double shot espressos, and it's keeping the office all very caffeinated.